Hi, my name is Lauren and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to discuss short, straight hairstyles. Now that you have your hair back and away from the face, you may want to add a little bit of an accessory to it in order to kind of, jazz it up, create a more personalized style. They do sell a lot of these little, very baby jaw clips. They're usually about 2, very tiny. You can simply just go ahead and place them on the top if you want to do a crowned effect look. They do come with rhinestones. They also come just plain. You can actually use these too, either just to hold your hair back if you wanted to. Another option is bobby pins that actually have studs or something similar on them. Now granted, sometimes when they go flat against the head, you're not going to see them as much. They're just going to give you that slight little bit of accentuation. If you want to spruce it up a little bit more and make them more noticeable from the front, you can actually bend them because they are pliable, so that way those gems are sticking up, and you're going to go in, place it in between the actual bobby pin that's in the head, and then you can kind of sit it down. Now, if you wanted to see it from the front of your head, you can actually see it looking at the person where it's not laying flush against the scalp. If you did not want that, you can just go ahead, go through, and lay it flush against the scalp. Sometimes it'll be hidden in the hair, so you need to kind of adjust how you want to go. Another good thing to use for accessories, which many people never thought of, is everyday stud earrings, where you can go to a store such as Claire's or something of that nature, any mall, where they sell, cheap accessories, and you can go through, and if you wanted to, you can add a little pizzazz to just about any part of your hair by simply placing the stud in and putting the back on. Alright. And they will say, let me grab a bigger piece of hair. Let me do it back here. Once it grasps onto that hair and you bring it around, it'll actually stay in. And it'll add just a little bit of a pizzazz to that front section where you can actually take random pieces and add a bit of a sparkle. The more hair that you have in order to kind of grab them, the better they're going to stay, but it will give you that bit of an accessory and that bit of sparkle just to enhance your everyday style.